Welcome to week 4. We are now in post-production. That means that we're working on editing and film. We're getting our files ready in game design to make sure we can play them on itch. And in audio, we're making sure that we've exported out sound files that we can actually hear and that we can share. So this week is going to be putting all that stuff together. So let's take a look. First off, you can see the assignments as usual. What you're going to be doing on Monday is creating another weekly journal blog post. You know the process, the assignment's here. And what I want to remind you is that in the directions here, you can see the dates are here for this week. Make sure you change the title to that. Okay. And you're setting the goal on Monday. This is time dependent. It is due Monday, no extensions. If you're absent, it'll be due on Wednesday because we don't have school on Tuesday. So this needs to be set, make sure it's clear, specific, and so on. And when we look at the rubric, you're going to assess the goal on Monday as well. And you're going to turn this back into me. So you're just assessing how well did you set your goal. Hopefully it's clear, specific, measurable, and so on. Now, for example, in film, you're going to get this project. Let's go over here. You're doing an editing project where we have 2 versions of the film that your team made. The team will have an edit that's just the standard kind of edit, but then each individual is going to make their own version based on one of 3 different styles of editing. So the goal for you would be to have this done before the end of the week. So you're going to be working on editing. For other students, for like game design, we want to make sure your game that you export, the thing you have, is playable on itch. And we want to make sure it functions okay. In School of Rock, we want to make sure that you have an audio file that is playable, clickable, and so on. And make sure that that is exported properly and that we help everybody do that. So each person needs to do that. So again, that could be your goal, is to get everything exported, et cetera, et cetera. So that sums it up. When we look at the material, well, the week we have Tuesday off. Wednesday, we'll continue working. On Friday, we have the final component. You'll be assessing these 3 elements for your journal. There's only 4 days this week, so you'll have that. And again, you'll turn this back into me. Film students, you'll be turning in the assignment rubric for the film piece, and you'll have a 16-point rubric you'll be assessing on how well you did for edits, and there's a blog post to create as well. The template is similar to any other template we've made before in class. You'll copy and paste it and fill it out. So it does have some reflection stuff. All right, welcome to week 4, and here we go.